Pulse technology. The powerful 700-watt push-to-blend motor base powers through everything inside the cup to give you the best of Ninja blending. Nutrient extraction. Unlock hidden nutrition from whole fruits and veggies. Extract a drink containing vitamins and nutrients from fruits and vegetables. By blending whole fruits and vegetables including portions that are usually discarded. Frozen blending. Crush ice and pulverize frozen ingredients for resort-like frozen drinks, smoothies, frozen treats, and more. Compact simple. So compact that it fits on any countertop, and has intuitive, easy-to-use controls. On-the-go convenience. Blend directly in the 16 Oz. Single-serve cup. Attach the spout lid, and enjoy your creations on the go. Easy to clean. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. Recipe inspiration. Includes a 50-recipe inspiration guide to get you started with easy-to-prepare smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and more. What's included? 700-watt motor base, blade assembly, 16 Oz. Nutri-Ninja single-serve cups, spout lids 50-recipe inspiration guide. The Ninja Fit combines multiple kitchen appliances in one easy-to-use, powerful and compact kitchen tool. With Ninja Pulse technology, it quickly creates smoothies, nutrient juices and so much more in 2 16 ounces. Nutri-Ninja cups that are perfect to take on the go. Top reviews from the United States. Loving this blender. Okay, so I don't usually write reviews, and with all the other positive reviews, not sure this needs one. But I will say this is the best blender for its purpose that I have ever used. I prefer to blend with frozen fruits, and that will burn out many motors. Trust me. But this handles the frozen stuff, and greens, no problem. I love that it only comes with 2 attachments, 2 perfectly sized cups made of excellent materials. I can make the smoothie I want and a completely separate one for my kiddo, no cleanup involved. I also love that after I add the smoothie components, I can screw the top on and give it a good shake before blending. The only downside is that screwing the blade top on can be a little tough to get the threading right. But after I figured that out, no problem. Seriously, this is a perfect smoothie blender at a reasonable cost. Go for it.